morning. Today is Friday, and just got more snow yesterday. I shoveled this path already, but overall it looks like it's about, I don't know, 20, 25, maybe even 30 inches, at least 2 foot. A little bit less over here. But this is a path I just shoveled. Shoveled all this yesterday. I had to redo it this morning. I need a little bit wider to get up here. And I also shoveled this for the guests, if ever they can get in there and park. There's no trash service today, but take a quick walk around. Oh yeah, the roads are okay. Yeah, you even see some bare concrete or bare asphalt in some places. This is Main Street, and no one. Oh, there's a few cars coming down. Looks like they did a pretty good job shoveling, plowing. Yeah. Somebody got out this morning without plowing or shoveling. And here we are, back on our cabin. Stop recording. Stick it in your face. Now what? Yeah? Yeah, that is good. Uh-huh. Sure. That sounds good. I'll get a good video of you too. This trail is called Pioneer, and Breckenridge is Pioneer. And this is the Saturday after the major storm in March that we just got. Today is March 16th, so we're just seeing the conditions are still groomed, but I'm sure if you go higher up the hill, it's not groomed.
This is really good.
It's really good conditions. Yep. Alright, you'll go a little faster? Let's go. Shoot it. Let's go.
was kind of a hockey stop. That's pretty good. Fix your goggles, it's falling down. Is it good? It's okay? All right, you ready for the hard part?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Should we go a little slow?
Yes, we will definitely go. Well, it's not the hard part here. Here, it's up here. Follow me.
Go fast.
Go fast. Shoot it. Hockey stop. Hockey stop. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. You put your feet together though.
I can't do that.
Yeah, it takes practice. You'll get it.
It's just I did probably like that,
Yeah.
which is pretty.
Yeah. All right.
Let's go down here.
All right, I'll follow you. All right, here we go. Steep part. Yep, go for it. Easy peasy. All right, let's shoot it. Shoot it. Let's go. Yeah, kiddo. That was awesome.
I'm going to practice you.
Yeah. You're getting so good at that. Okay. Okay. Whew, you got one more? I'll follow you on this one, okay? Go as fast as you feel comfortable. Go as fast as you feel comfortable, okay? I'll follow you. I'm gonna hit the bumps a little bit. Well, never mind. That didn't work. Try again. Stop recording.
A video? Hi everyone. We're just having some ramen
Hi, look
over
what I
here
have.
on top of Peak 7 in Pioneer Crossing.
What's Pioneer Crossing?
That's the name of this lodge. Is it good?
Look at my noodles. And that has some flavor thing.
Here, let's see you eat. Let's see you eat some.
Why? Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot? Alright. Blow on it before you eat it. I haven't blowing.
Peak 7 all the way to Peak 8.
Yes. Okay. It's gonna be great. Alright, stay here with me, follow me. Side by side.
No, not anymore.
Not anymore. You're winning. Winning. Hey. All right, keep going, keep going. You can't stop here. All right, go down here first. I'll follow you.
I want to follow you.
You wanna follow me? All right. Here we go. You ready? Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Woo, job. I saw you try the hockey stop. That's good. All right, follow me then, okay?
Follow me, okay?
Yeah.